Starting off with apples, hailed as nature's candy. These juicy treats are packed with antioxidants, which help in fighting harmful free radicals in the body. They also contain dietary fiber, aiding in digestion, and vitamin C, boosting your immune system. An apple a day might indeed keep the doctor away. Moving on to the exotic world of pomegranates. These ruby-like seeds are not only a treat for the eyes, but also for the body. They're rich in anti-inflammatory properties and are known to help lower blood pressure. Plus, they're a great source of dietary fiber, aiding in digestion. Next up, the sunny and cheerful oranges. Oranges are a powerhouse of vitamin C, essential for boosting immunity. They also contain fiber and potassium, both crucial for heart health. And let's not forget their mood-enhancing aroma. Now let's talk about the small but mighty blueberries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which give them their deep blue color and help in reducing inflammation and lowering cholesterol levels. They also enhance brain health. Ever heard of the saying, "Go bananas"? Well, bananas are a perfect on-the-go snack, loaded with potassium, which is necessary for heart health and proper muscular function. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can help improve your mood and aid sleep. Last but not least, dried fruits. Don't underestimate these tiny powerhouses. Dried figs, for instance, are great sources of dietary fiber, aiding digestion, and packed with essential minerals like magnesium, manganese, calcium, and potassium. Similarly, dates are known for their energy-boosting properties and are rich in iron and fiber. To sum it all up, fruits, whether fresh or dried, offer a multitude of health benefits. From apples with their antioxidant properties, pomegranates with their anti-inflammatory benefits, oranges and their immune-boosting vitamin C, blueberries and their brain health-enhancing qualities, bananas and their mood and sleep-aiding properties, to dried figs and dates with their digestive and energy-boosting benefits. So the next time you pass by the fruit section in the grocery store, remember, each fruit holds a secret health benefit waiting to be discovered by you. Enjoy your fruit adventures.